Get the fruits. Find its. Okay. Next. Very good. Oh. Oh. Come on. Okay. Next. Okay. What is that? Orange. Good. Apple. Good. How about this one? Next. Uy. Okay, babe, may I see? Wow, is it an orange? Yes. Apple. Yes. Banana. Yes. Mango. Peach. And okay, peras. Very good. Clap your hands. Yay! Okay, Aya, mommy will give you this fruits, vegetables. Okay, now find it's the same. Okay? Find where is cucumber, where is tomato, corn, eggplant, pumpkin, and onion. Okay, start. Match. Match the onion. Good. How about the eggplant? The eggplant. Good. Yeah. Okay, cucumber. Very good. Pumpkin. Very good. Tomatoes. Okay, tarong nga ang tomatoes. Okay, corn. Tomatoes. Finish na? Oh, nag-keep na ka? Okay, very good. Give it to mommy. Faster. Okay. Keep it. Give it to mommy. Thank you. How about this one? Give it to mommy. Very good. Okay. Aya, find the shapes and the same shapes and the same color. Paspasa. Okay, go. Okay. Okay. What shape is that? What shape is that? What shape is that? What shape? Shape. Okay. What shape is this? Violet. Then what shape? Yung shape. Triangle. Okay. Oh, faster than the wind. Keep it? You keep it? Okay. Okay. How about the other three? Anak, meron pa. The other three. Oh. Okay.